20 years. While student attending lectures and research publishing finding, has quietly dedicated his life to pig farming at Kabarak University. Meet Isaac S. Rotich, a pig farmer whose hand tells a story of patience, resilience, and unwavering commitment to agricultural excellence. His daily duties begins before sunrise, feeding, cleaning, monitoring animal health, and ensuring hygiene standards are met. Over 20 years, challenges such as disease outbreak, rising feed costs, and changing climate conditions have tested his resolve. Through dedication and experience, he has helped sustain food production, research, practical training at Kabarak University over 20 decades. His work has proven that farming is not just a job, but a lifelong calling duties.
Working for Star TV, my name is Paul, and